Hello everyone, welcome to Click English. I'm Tutor Nick. In Lesson 82, you started using the past simple tense. In Lesson 83, you will see how the verb is formed, see some examples, and do some exercises. In Lesson 82, you saw how to take sentences like I work in that building, present simple, and make a sentence like I worked in that building, which is the past simple. You also learned that there are irregular verbs which have to be learnt, and I gave you a list of 30 verbs that are used a lot. But what happens if we want to ask a question or deny something? Let's see how to do this. Do you remember what we did in the present simple? They live in Dublin. They don't live in Dublin. Do they live in Dublin? Now let's see that in the past simple. They lived in Dublin. They didn't live in Dublin. Did they live in Dublin? Only the auxiliary, the helper verb, changes to the past perfect. The main verb stem doesn't change for the negative or the interrogative. Take a look at this simple table. It has all the information you need to make the past simple tense for regular verbs. And here is the simple past tense of the three primary auxiliary or helping verbs. Now let's do some exercises on what you've learnt. Complete the sentences. Use a verb from the list. Write the past simple of these verbs. Here's a hint. You may have to go back to Lesson 82 and check the list of irregular verbs. I've put a link up here in the right-hand corner. Write the verbs in the correct form of the past simple. Write sentences about the past. For example, things that happened yesterday or last week.
I cleaned my teeth 3 times yesterday. It was hot in the room, so I opened the window. The film was very long. It started at 7:15 and finished at 10 o'clock. When I was a child, I wanted to be a doctor. The accident happened last Sunday afternoon. The weather's nice today, but yesterday it rained all day. We enjoyed our holiday last year. We stayed at a very nice place. Anna's grandfather died when he was 90 years old. James always goes to work by car. Yesterday he went to work by car. Rachel often loses her keys. She lost her keys last week. Kate meets her friends every evening. She met her friends yesterday evening. I buy a newspaper every day. Yesterday I bought a newspaper. We often go to the cinema at weekends. Last Sunday we went to the cinema. I eat an orange every day. Yesterday I ate an orange. Tom always has a shower in the morning. This morning he had a shower. Our friends often come to see us. They came to see us last Friday.